learners, it's glad to see you in Krishna's space. Today is a day 12 of our 300 days DSA series. So now it's time for our today's problem. Let's understand it and build our approach. So today's problem is the length of last word. Here we have given a string which will consist word and spaces, and we have to return the length of last word in the string. We all know about the word, but they have given the definition of it. Let's read out it. A word is a maximal substring consisting of non-space characters only. So now let's move ahead to the example, and the example is which we all do when we start our coding, which is hello world. And in the last we have world, that's why it is returning the 5 because length of world is 5. In the second example you can see moon and it is returning the 4. So I have already solved this question. Now let's understand how I solve this problem. So as you know that we need the last word. So the first thing that I can understand that there is no need to start my loop from starting. So that's why what I have done that I have start my loop from ending. That's why here as you can see that I have used for loop with the range n minus 1 minus 1 minus 1. Thereafter what I need that if I will get any space afterward, then there is no need to go on in the loop, because at the moment we will get the space, that means my word is completed. Here as you can see after W there is a space, so that means that my word has completed. So I can just give my result 5 here. That's what I have done here, that if I will not get any space then my count will increment, and at the moment I will get the space I will come out from this loop. But now let's see the second example here, because here is the twist. Let's suppose if I will get the space in the ending of my string, that means this logic will just give me the result 0, because in the last we have space and my loop will not going to run, so my count is 0. That's why it will return the 0. So my ending space is creating a problem here. To solve this problem, the thought comes in my mind was how can I actually remove this ending space from my string. Then I got remembered that in string we have a function which actually removes the space from ending and starting point of string, which is strip function. It is basically remove the starting and ending spaces or unnecessary characters from the string. So the first thing that I have done in this code is to remove the any ending and starting space from my string. And also don't think that in my strip gonna just remove the space, that means it will going to remove the space from a middle. It's not, it just remove the space from the starting and ending. So thereafter I just taken the length of my string and then I run the whole code. Now the ending space which is creating problem has solved, so my logic will going to run smoothly here. So that's how I solve this problem. If you have any solution of it, please write it on comment. Thank you so much for watching this video and staying with me.